This video will demonstrate each of the attendance reports in WebTess. I'll show an example of each report, followed by the steps to produce the report. First, we'll go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers, and you can see we have attendance registers which can be printed by home form, by class, by teacher, by student, and on blank forms. Here is the attendance register by home form. Each home form is listed with boxes for teachers to enter attendance. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers by Home Form. Select the home forms you want to print. Select the starting date, then choose the option to print boxes for 1 month, for 1 week, or for 2 weeks, and click OK. It lists each home form separately with the boxes for the teachers to enter attendance. Here are the attendance registers by class. It uses the same format and prints out the class lists for each teacher. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers by Class. Select the classes you want to print. Select the start date and the option to print either all month, 1 week, or 2 weeks, and click OK. Here is the attendance register by teacher. It is the same report as by class, but it prints all the classes for the selected teacher. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers, and Attendance Registers by teacher. Select the teachers you want to print, the starting date, and the option to print either all month, 1 week, or 2 weeks, and click OK. Here are the attendance registers by student. It prints the attendance register report for any selected list of students. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers by Student, then select any students you want to print. In this example, I'm going to choose grade 10. Click OK. Choose the starting date and click 1 week and click OK. And here is the report. This is useful if you want to print out a list of all students or any grade of students or home form and have a box to enter attendance. Finally, here is the attendance register blank form. This is simply a blank form with 30 lines where you can write in or type in the name of the student and use the attendance box to enter any information you want. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Registers blank form. Choose the starting date and the date option and click OK. And here is the report. Here is the daily attendance report. It lists all the students who have had any attendance entered on a selected day. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Daily Attendance Report. Select all students and click OK. You could also select by grade if you're only interested in the daily report for a particular grade. Then select the date and click OK. If your school takes attendance by period, you can print the daily attendance report by period. Here is the daily attendance report by period. The only difference is that it only lists the periods of attendance rather than any class attendance. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Daily Attendance Report by Period. Select all students and click OK. You can also select by grade or home form or gender or any other selection. Select the periods, for example just AM only, and click OK, and the date and click OK. So here are the students who are just absent in the morning AM period. There are 3 year-to-date attendance reports. Here is the basic year-to-date report. It shows all of the students' attendance for any selected range of dates. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Year-to-Date Attendance, and year-to-date attendance report. Select the students and click OK, and select the starting and ending date range and click OK. And it will print out all of the attendance for all of the selected students. Here is the year-to-date attendance report by class. It prints out each class and any attendance that has been entered for those students for the selected range of dates. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Year-to-date attendance by class. Select the classes you want and click OK, and then choose the date range and click OK. Here is the year-to-date attendance report by home form. It prints out any selected home form with any attendance that has been entered for those students. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Year-to-date attendance and year-to-date attendance by home form. Select the home forms you'd like to print and click OK, and then choose the date range and click OK. Here is the monthly attendance report. It prints out a report for each individual student selected, showing the total number of statuses for each month for a selected range of dates, along with the total for the entire range of dates. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Monthly Attendance Report. Select the students that you're interested in printing or choose All Students and click OK, and then choose the range of dates and click OK. Here is the individual attendance report. This report prints out a report for each student showing the days they were absent or late or whatever status you've selected for the selected range of dates. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Individual Attendance Report, choose the students that you want to print or choose All Students and click OK, choose the range of dates and click OK, and here's the report. The Search Attendance Report lists out all students who have a selected status for a selected range of dates based on the number of times that status has been counted. In this example, I chose to print out all students who have had at least 3 absences during this range of dates. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Search Attendance Report, choose All Students or choose any selected group of students and click OK. Choose the status that you want to count and click OK, and then choose the number of times you want to find that count and choose the date range and click OK. Here are the attendance labels. These labels are usually printed by schools at the end of each semester or the end of the year to be attached to the student's permanent record or report card. To print the report, go to Attendance, Reports, Attendance Labels, choose the students you want to print the reports for, and click OK. Choose the label design that the report will be printed on, and then click OK. Then choose the date range and click OK. The reports are printed in PDF format, so they will fit perfectly on the labels that you have selected.